I'll teach you how to make some delicious donuts which is liked by everyone, whether it's big or small, young or old. Everyone likes to have donuts. So let's look at the recipe. So to make donuts you need 1 plus 1/4 cup of maida, 3/4 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of Eno fruit salt, the blue packet, a pinch of salt, half lemon or 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of ghee or butter, and 2 small cutters which you will use to shape your donut. Let's begin with the recipe. So first take 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of maida and a sieve. Add all the flour. Even add the 1/4 cup of maida and we'll sieve it. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of Eno, 3 tablespoons of icing sugar, 1, 2 and 3, a pinch of salt and a pinch of baking powder. Now we'll sieve all the ingredients. So now we will add our 3/4 cup of milk and half lemon. Kneading the dough. Now we will add little by little water. So I added 1, 2 and 3 teaspoons of water for now. Now I'll mix that. I think I'll need more, so I'll add more water. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in total I used 7 teaspoons of water. Okay, so now we will add 2 teaspoons of ghee. So 1. Or you can even use butter instead of ghee. And 2. Now we'll knead this again for 5 to 7 minutes. Now we'll knead the dough. The more you knead, the more softer your dough will be. So now we'll cover the dough with a damp cloth and leave it to rest for about 1 hour. Now after 1 hour, our dough looks like this. When you stretch the dough, if you can see some crisscross or you can see something like this texture, that means your dough is perfect for donuts. Now again you can knead the dough for a minute. Now, according to your requirements and your donut size, you can divide the dough into portions. I am dividing the dough into 3 portions. Take one portion, make a bowl, make a ball out of it. Now take a uh, balan and the rolling pin. Now we'll roll the ball into a medium size thick chapati, not more thick or not less thin. I'll show you the correct thickness. So this is the thickness you need of about at least of about half centimeter. So this thick your base your chapati should be, the donut chapati. Now you can take any cutter or a bottle cap or any utensil. So make a cut. Now you can take a small cutter, place it in the center of your bigger circle and make a cut. Remove the excess of dough and lift your donut. Remove the center. Your center is removed and this is your one donut is ready. In the same way, I'll make another donuts also. I'll show you once again. So take your dough, roll out into a thin chapati. This much should be the thickness of about 0.5 centimeters. Now take your cutter, cut a round shape. Then with a smaller cutter, place it in the center. Again, cut around, lift your donut, and it's ready. So in the same way, you can make donuts with the rest of the dough. This recipe I made 13 small size donuts, and if you take and if you want to make big size donuts, you can approximately make 6 or 7 big size MOD size donuts at home. So now let's fry it. So for frying, I'll show you what all you need. So for frying, I have taken 2.5 cups of 2 or 2 1/4 cup of oil, and I have kept it in a steel cup bottom pan, and now I'll kept it on high flame to get heated. So the oil has come now. So now slowly from the side of the pan, you'll add your donuts into the oil. You can put 2 donuts at a time, and you'll notice that the donuts are filled. You can see that your donuts are so fluffy and looking same as the MOD donuts. Now you can flip your donut. Keep the gas on slow flame. Now keep flipping your donuts so that they get golden brown from both the sides. So now since they are golden brown from both the sides, let's remove them. So in the same way, you can fry all your donuts. So our donuts are ready. After frying, the donuts will look like this. Next step is that you take some dark compound chocolate or any other chocolate. You can even use dairy milk or other chocolate, and microwave it and melt it and microwave it in the oven Keep it in the oven and melt it for 30 seconds. Melting your chocolate, stir it. Now dip your donut in the chocolate and you can even dip your donut in some melted white chocolate. This will be your simple sugar. This is your simple sugar glazed donut. And now for some extra touch-ups and finish, you can drizzle some melted white chocolate. So our donuts are ready. So we made 3 chocolate donuts and 1 sugar glazed donut. So now for some extra decoration, you can even top your donuts with some sprinkles, which will make your donut look colorful. So our delicious donuts are ready. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you like the recipe, do like, share and comment and subscribe the channel. Do try the recipe and let me know.